Well, hey guys, today I'll teach you how to make anime drawings like this, and also this with the help of grid method. And the first question you have in your mind is, where do you start to draw the lines for the grid? Don't worry, I got you. So to draw grids, you need an app called Grid Artist. I personally like this, and this is available in Play Store. So now I'll teach you guys how to use this app to draw anime. So first, open the app and click on Start New Project. And this new window pops up. Now decide if your drawing is gonna be landscape or portrait. I'm gonna choose portrait. And next, you gotta choose your canvas size. I'm gonna draw in an A4 size sheet, so I'll choose A4. For grid size, choose 30. I'll tell you why later in this video. Now choose the photo you're gonna draw. I'm gonna draw Toji, so I'll choose him and adjust the photo as per your comfort. The first option you have on the left bottom is grid size. Here you can choose the line width, how much thick or thin you want the lines to be, and grid label. I'll tell you the use of this later in this video, and diagonal grid. And this diagonal grid is for better understanding of the reference to draw. You have the line color for the grid. You can choose any color as per your comfort. And the main tool in grid size. With the help of this, you can choose the size of one box in millimeters. And I'm gonna use 30. Let me tell you why later in this video. And with tune, you can adjust the brightness, contrast, or saturation as per your comfort. And finally, you have effects. In this, you have a lot of effects to use, but for now, I'll just let it be original. And now, I'll tell you how to draw the grid lines. And why did I tell you to choose 30 millimeters? I'm gonna draw in a A4 size book. And now, I'll keep the ruler in the corner of the page and draw a line. And from the line you have drawn, you have to keep your ruler at the end of the line and draw another line. Just like that, and use the same process to draw lines for the whole page. And every line has 3 cm difference gap. Example like 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and 27. And that's because the width of the scale itself 3 cm. And to draw vertically also, you use the same method. And with the help of this, I have drew all the lines. And every box in the grid is 3 cm. Now you got to draw the diagonal lines. Just draw the diagonal lines through the boxes. Now you have drew the straight lines and the diagonal lines and the grid is complete. And now, how are you going to draw inside the boxes? I'll tell you how to perfectly fit all the boxes. First, you gotta see where you gotta start from which box you're gonna fill first, and then draw inside the box. But you would be having a question in your mind like, which box you gotta fill first, and which box is different, and then you realize that you have filled the wrong box first. And to not do this mistake, we use the grid label. It means the numbers and alphabets. With the help of this, you can fill the box perfectly. Like, I started the drawing from vertically 3 boxes down from A and horizontally after 1 box from 3. And remember this always. Whenever you draw with the help of grid, use your pencil very lightly, because sometimes even after completing the drawing, the boxes will be visible. And to be honest, I don't actually use grid to draw, because it won't help you develop your skills. But grid method is very time saving. You can use grid method for some really big artworks like commission artwork, but I suggest you to learn to draw by freehand method. And now back to the drawing. I have completed the outline and now it's time for coloring. I'll put some good music. Now sit tight and just watch the coloring process.
Sounds like you don't like your face. Yo te cae por lo que mi taida. Que sin tocar y no siento, siento a para caminar bien. Yo te 不平等な人生才能もれない上位日常が無人平等に没個性たどる記憶の国に橋などないから夢のはずまで泣いてないでどんな顔すればいいか分かってるだけどまだ答えてくれよ闇を払って闇を払って夜の帳が浮いたら合図だ相対して回る感情線ざれ言などは吐き捨て言い方まだ止めないでまだ止めないで誰よりも背取ってる街に生まれ仕事し当たり前になったで呪い呪われた僕の未来を想像して走って転んだ消えない痛み抱いては世界が待ってるこの一瞬を情緒的感情が描いていくバカ従々に従った血管と罰視線確かにない愛に上気声も出せないまま確実な誓いの泣きやきやこ確実なくなるまでのでも僕ら空情現実つけてないで命を投げ出せないでうちの脆さに浸ってどんな顔すればいいかわかんないよ今はただ答えてくれよ
Finally, I have completed the drawing. Enjoy the results. If you guys like this drawing or this tutorial, please give a like. And if you are new to the channel, subscribe. We are so close to 1000 subscribers. And share the video and comment if you have any questions regarding grid method.